Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
First, reproduce the Dlib error in a minimal Python script to capture the traceback. Read the traceback from top to bottom and identify the failing file and line. Common issues include missing CMake, compiler toolchains, incompatible NumPy, or wrong Python bitness. Note the Dlib version and your Python version, for example Dlib 19, 22, and Python 3. 8. Also check OS and architecture details like Windows 10 64-bit or Ubuntu 20. 464-bit. Collect pip list and pip show Dlib output to compare install prerequisites first. CMake 3. 15 or newer, boost optional, and a C++ compiler. On Windows, install Visual Studio 2019 build tools with desktop development for C++ workload. On Linux, install Build Essential, CMake, Python 3 Dev, and libopendblasdev via apt. Prefer using pip wheels when available to avoid local compilation and dependency errors. If pip fails, use conda install C conda forge Dlib for pre-built binaries on many platforms. Always match Python bitness. Use 64-bit Python with 64-bit Dlib for compatible CX. If you see compiler errors, inspect error lines for missing headers or undefined symbols. Include paths and library paths using CMake arguments or environment variables before building. Clean previous build artifacts by deleting build folders and rerun CMake from an empty directory. Run Python C import Dlib. Print Dlib. Version to confirm successful installation and version. If wheel installation fails, capture full build log and search for the first error message line. Use virtual environments and document exact steps to reproduce and share when asking for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.